so today we'll be making a jacket for Hero. He is a whippet, and we've got you a nice fake fur fabric to just put on him, and we'll be embroidering it with his name, right? So I've cut this fabric so that it's big enough just from his neck to tail, and then once I've embroidered it, I'll be adding a lining in, and then I'll be using the Velcro fastening so it's easy to take on and take off.
Yeah, the colours of his dress.
Yeah, it's a very nice colour. Playing, haven't you, you packer? So I've just stitched the jacket together. It's very, very straightforward, freestyled kind of rectangle with a Velcro and a neck access. So Hero, come on, stand up, 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 up. Just put it through. Does that go there? Just add the... It's a bit loose, isn't it? Yeah, just add a... Woo!